Holy shit, boys.
That's another fucking podium.
Shit.
Awesome, mate. Scenario 12. Scenario 12. Woo!
Holy mac and cheese balls. That's another fucking podium.
Awesome, mate. Awesome. Awesome, mate. Let's keep up with the cars ahead. Let's go. Might have to go recharge on another scenario.
Okay.
Scenario 1 and recharge on. And let's
Yep, understood.
try to catch up a bit.
Yep.
Same procedures as last time, so there will be panels in front of the podium where you'll have to stop.
Daniel, I'm not doing a second tattoo, but if I had, I would put Mathieu on it, because he's done a brilliant job. Well done to you also. Amazing. Thank you.
Okay, so Scott Raikkonen. Sorry, spoiled
Yep.
that.
No, it's all good. All good, once enough.
Okay, so I got Mercedes now in front of you, so it's good where you are. Okay, mate, so once you stopped in front of number 3, then it will be wait 5 seconds, then it will be P1, wait another 5 seconds, and then P0, please.
Yep, understood.
Cheers, buddy.
Wow.
That's a nice few last laps, mate. Awesome.
That was fun. Thank you, guys.